Hi guys. Hello, this is our webinar, next webinar. This is CLIQ company and my name is Olga. So today our topic is simple Forex trading strategies and how to trade Forex simple way. And we are going to talk mostly about scalping. So today we're going to present to you two trading strategies on shorter time frames, which actually work very well and help you in your successful trading. I will remind you that our webinar is interactive, so you can ask your questions if they appear, or if it's not clear, and you can leave your comments in the section comments. I will be glad and with great pleasure we will answer them. And if we're going to talk about simple way and about scalping, let's talk about some advantages for you to understand that scalping is your way of trading. So what are the advantages of scalping? Actually, it's the type of trading which requires from you very little time of spending in the markets, and actually you will find a lot of signals. Its characteristic is shorter time spending for trading, shorter time of trade execution, and a lot of big amount of trades because of that. And actually the main point is to make more profit even in the slightest fluctuation of the markets. Of course, spending less time and open bigger amount of trades. How you can increase or enlarge your capital, your deposit? You can actually enlarge it by adding lots. For example, if you are trading one lot, or it doesn't matter which type of account you're having, we will talk like one lot. If you're trading one lot and you caught the trend and the signals appear very often, like one by one, if we are scalping actually, you can open the second trade with 2 lots, third with 3 lots. But you will always need to remember about money management and risk management if your deposit can allow you that. And if you are not sure, for example, in the or your signal is not confirmed, or you're not sure in this signal, you can always come back to one lot. So big amount of trades help us to enlarge our deposit substantially. And you can find signals anytime you come to your PC, actually take a look at the market. Also advantage, because if you are trading, for example, H4, you're like intraday trader, H1 or H4 or daily trader, you need to wait until the signal appears for quite a long time. Talking about scalping, you will find signals always. It doesn't matter which trading session. By the way you're trading, there will be always signals waiting for you. And for example, some people like to trade in the morning or at night. For example, I know such traders, they prefer Asian session because they live in Central Europe, and it doesn't matter because they also find signals. And one more advantage is it's like maybe you don't have that much time you can dedicate to trading. It happens, for example, people have jobs and Forex is not the only way of their income. So it's also for them, this type of trading, because actually it's like an ancient saying says, I saw, I came, I saw, I conquered. So you just entered the market, you saw the signal confirmation, you conquered, you took your profit and left the market quickly. So this is how it works. And with the above mentioned advantages, if you understand that scalping is a good way, or your way of trading, let's go to practice. We will start with 5-minute scalping strategy. So it works on a 5-minute time frame. You can use any currency pair that you like, or it fits you maybe. Maybe you have some favorites. We will show you examples on the basic, so-called basic currency pairs. And mostly it's GBP USD or Euro USD. We will show you examples on 2 basic currency pairs. So conditions. Actually, this trading strategy is very simple because it doesn't require any indicators. It's based on the price action. All you need to find is a pattern. So we are talking about pattern consisting of 2 candles. So you have to find 2 candles with the one condition. The first candle must totally engulf the second one. What type of the candles is not relevant. It can be, for example, sell and buy, or two buys or two sells. Doesn't matter. Actually, the high and low of the second one must be inside high and low of the first one. This is the main condition. How you open position for sell? You found this pattern over here. So the high, the low of the first candle, and the high and low of the second candle is inside of the first one. So the condition is made. Next, you're going to wait until this third candle is formed. It will be your like confirmation candle. So if it closes lower than the low of the first one, you open position for sell. If it closes higher than the high of the first one, high, it closing, we open position for buy. Of course, it's relevant because it's corresponding the buy candle and the sell candle. Okay, stop loss and take profit. You need to calculate how many pips is within your first, the bigger candle, which engulfs the second one. So, for example, 123. So this is how supposed to, and this is how big your take profit and stop loss supposed to be. If it's not big enough for you, you don't take the signal. If it's too big, you don't take the signal. So it's up to you. You need to understand which actually risk you may take, which you cannot. So we take this risk. So we open on the fourth candle. We open position for sell. Let's calculate 123. I'm sorry. On the very next candle, after our signal third one, we open position for sell. So one, we go down. No, somewhere here, we closed our position with profit. What about stop loss? There is no stop loss over here. 123, you see no stop losses. Let's look at the example for buy. So the same example. So this first candle engulfs the second one, and the third candle closes higher than the high of the first one. So on the fourth candle, we open position for buy. How much profit? Calculate. 103. So we just measure. We took our profits over here. No stop loss because actually we have zero stop loss. Okay, maybe some negative. Next example, first one, calculate. It's only 56. If it's enough for you, 56 pips, so you take it. The third candle was much higher than the high, so open position here. Actually, it's about 56. So we're supposed to close this actually trade with stop loss, but maybe need to be more careful. It's much bigger. So we were close enough. I'm sorry. We took our profit much faster. Actually, on this buy candle, we took our profit and we closed position with positive result. Here is the negative. Okay, look, we have the same pattern. This is sell candle, closes lower than the low of the first one. So we open our position for sell. How much profit and stop loss here? Let's calculate. It's 34. We opened here. It's only 30. So very little, and even that it worked with stop loss. So this is also successful. Very high tail, no problem, 83. We entered the market over there. So it's buy candle, but nevertheless we open position for sell because the signal candle shows us its sell position. So entered here and we took our profit. So this is GBP, how it works in euro. Pattern, signal candle, we open position here. How much? 68. It's all right with us. We took the profit. Negative pattern. Signal candle is supposed to open sell, but very high buy candle. 56 pips. 45 our profit. Stop loss. high 82, very good signal. Actually, market gave us minus 18, but we took our 83. So this is how the strategy works. We'll repeat 5-minute time frame and any currency pair. Basic works better, and no indicators, only price action. Next, it's actually 10 pips trading strategy, and it works on time frame M15, and actually it requires some indicators. And indicators are stochastic indicator with absolutely classical settings. You don't have to add any level, just take classical settings. And Bollinger Bands also with classical settings. So what we need to do? We need to wait 3 conditions. Follow some rules to open buy or sell position. First, we need to wait until the price breaks below the lower line of Bollinger Bands. This is signal for sell, and it closes below it. It's very important. We wait until the next candle is formed. It must be opposite color or opposite type. If it was sell for us, we wait until the buy candle appears. At the very next third candle, we open a position for buy, and also we need confirmation from another indicator. It's stochastic. So if we open buy, it needs to be in oversold zone. So look, if all the conditions are made, price breaks below the low line of Bollinger Bands and closes below it. Stochastic is in oversold zone. It's almost leaving it, so it's kind of risky, but we take this risk. And looks how it works. The next candle is buy, and the very next candle we open sell position. The market gave us a little bit of we opened buy position. It was flat, but nevertheless we took our 10 pips and closed our position. Also for buy, market breaks below, closes below, buy next candle, and the very next candle. Stochastic is an oversold. The very next candle we open position. We took our 10 pips. This is signal for sell. You wait until the price breaks above the upper line of Bollinger Bands and closes above it. We wait until the next sell candle appears, because it also, you see, on that candle it also broke through and closed. But the next candle was buy, so it's not our signal. Wait until the sell signal appears. On the very next candle, we open position and took our 94. Yeah, 10 pips. Very good. See, this is very good signal. So we have our price broke above Bollinger Bands, closed above it, sell candle appears. Next sell candle, very good example, but we didn't have a confirmation from stochastic. So if it happens, nevertheless it's positive, it's successful here, don't take it, because we need confirmation from 2 signals, from 2 indicators. And some negative also I would like to show you. For example, breaks above, closes above, sell next, open position for this candle, but we didn't have, actually market gave us only 98 pips, and it's not like 2 more, and we took our profit, but nevertheless we didn't take it, and this is stop loss. And one more buy, it closes, it breaks below, it closes below, stochastic is in oversold over here. Next buy candle, and the very next candle sell, we open position, and we took our 10 pips. What about stop loss? Stop loss supposed to be on 10 points higher the high or lower the low of your signal of your first candle. For example, if we going to take buy signal here, we are talking about this first candle that broke below. Calculate 10 pips here. We see there was no stop loss here. Also here we don't have much actually space, but you see it doesn't also give us a stop loss here. Okay, this is very close. This is very good example. Let's look at it. 10 more pips. If we didn't take our signal here, it would have been stop loss there, but actually we took our profit. So this is how it works. If something is not clear, please ask your questions. We'll answer them. And these are two trading strategies that you can use in your trading. It's also positive. It's also 100 and no stop loss over there. So this is how it works. Thank you for your attention, and we will continue to give you more and more useful and relevant information. You can always contact us, come to our office, or just send your question to live support. And thank you for being with us. Thank you for your comments, and stay in touch and stay with us. Have a nice day and high profits. This is CLIQ FX Company. Bye-bye.